Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Siti AMINAH HAJARIAH binti ROSLAM. So today I would like to present about exchange a traded fund. So my metric number is 2017449356. The study began with a problem statement, research question, research objective, and research methodology. The second topic will discuss the literature review followed by analysis. Islamic exchange traded discuss the trade in Bursa. It has a few types of ETFs, which are equity ETF, fixed income leverage and inverse ETF, and commodity ETF. Exchange traded fund is included in one of the investment classified as equity. Equity is a stock or other security that present an ownership interest. Okay, we go to the next point. It is the research question. The first one is, what is the mean of ETF? Okay, and then the second one is the second question is, what is equity, and then how we can determine it is as a Sharia compliance, and what is the platform to invest the fund, and then the last one, why ETF the best choice of the investment that we can do. Okay, the next one, we go to the research objective. We have 3 objectives that we specified to this topic. The first one is to identify what is the means of ETF. So how the trading can we do, and then what is the platform that we can use and offer the ETF. The second one is to analyze what is equity and the concept of equity. The last one is to determine how to specify or to classify that the equity is compliant, is Sharia compliant. So that is the 3 of the objective of this research. The research methodology that have been used in this research is qualitative because it includes the information and the fact only. There is no search of numerical or everything is regarding to the quantitative. It's only qualitative. So I use the method qualitative in the methodology. ETF stands for Exchange Traded Fund. It is an open source investment fund listed and traded on a stock exchange, which combines with the features of index and stock fund. So for the equity, in finance, equity is usually expressed as a market value, which may be much higher or lower than book value. According to Bursa Malaysia, equity shares is the risk capital of a company. Ordinary shares give the holder ownership right in the company, such as the right to share profit, the right to vote in general meetings, elect and dismiss director. Ownership obligation are also given, and this can result in loss of investor money if the company is not successful. Sharia compliance stock development of securities examination method by Securities Commission Malaysia (SC), Sharia Advisor Council (SAC) to determine the Sharia compliance of securities listed and traded on Bursa Malaysia. Sharia compliance review are conducted for the securities of companies listed on the exchange and during the initial public offering of the company. Each public listed company is reviewed based on the latest audited annual financial statements. So from that, the Sharia compliance rate can be examined. Bursa Malaysia as a capital market and fundraising, trading and investment destination offered a comprehensive range of products for both institutional and retail investors. Type of trading and investment product include stock, exchange traded fund or ETF, real estate investment trust, REIT, indices, warrant, bonus and exchange traded sukuk ETBs, the Syariah compliance products, derivative market products, bond and even offshore, as well as providing a wide range of global investment options. So Bursa is a place to invest, to offer the investors. Criteria of Sharia compliance stock. The first one is company is not contrary to Islamic law, which is meant by a company that not contrary to Sharia is a company with a field of business and management that is not contrary to Sharia and has halal products. Number two, all shares should have the same right. Shares are proof of ownership of a company, so that the rule of each shareholder is determined by the number of the shares number. The third one is company will be excluded from the Islamic stock exchange index if they have financially ratio to the debt and or interest income level. The last part of this research is the reason why ETF is the best choice. The first one is easy. The second one is various exposures. And the third one is sincerity. And the last one is cost effectiveness. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for your time.